Namaskara. Today we are learning transformation of functions. My first question is find g of x, where g of x is the translation 2 units down of f of x is equal to x minus 6 square plus 4. Here a function is given as f of x is equal to x minus 6 whole square plus 4. You are asked to find new function g of x, where g of x is formed by translation 2 units down of function f of x is equal to x minus 6 whole square plus 4. So what is transformation of function? Suppose this is our graph and our base function is f of x is equal to mod x or absolute value of x. This is our base function. This is our f of x is equal to absolute value of x. Transformation of function means if this function moves upwards, if this function moves upwards like this, vertically here, so this is our transformation of function. This is our g of x, new function. Here coordinates of this function is 0 and 0. Here this function moved to 0 and 2. Moved upwards. So in such case, what you have to do is, if it translates upwards, upside, you have to consider new function g of x as f of x plus h units. Whatever the units it move, you have to consider that unit. H units means how many units it moved. It moved upwards 2 units. So new function is f of x plus 2. F of x is given function. G of x is f of x plus 2. If this function move downwards, for example like this, if this move downwards, it translates some units down, for example k units down, you have to consider that new function as f of x minus k units. This also you can take as k units. If it moves downwards, you have to consider new function as f of x minus k units, whatever the unit it moves. Here this moved 2 unit downwards, so you have to take f of x minus 2. In this question, what is given? G of x is the translation of 2 units down. New function g of x is translation 2 units down of f of x is equal to 6 minus x minus 6 whole square plus 4. 2 units down given. So what is our new function g of x? F of x minus 2. 2 units down. So it's minus 2. So our f of x is x minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 2. This is our f of x. So what is g of x? Or g of x is equal to x minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. This is our function g of x. Let's go to second question. Next question, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 3 units left and 13 units up of function f of x is equal to 10 times absolute value of x minus 9 plus 2. Here both new function g of x is translating both left side and upside also. It is translating left side also and upside also. So if it translates left side, what is the rule to find new function? this is our base function. F of x is equal to absolute value of x. So this is our base function. This is at vertex 0 and 0. If this function translates some h units left, if this function translates h units left, the new function will be, that is g of x will be, if it translates h units left, new function will be f of x plus h. Remember, if it translates h units left side, new function will be f of x plus h. If this function translates right side, if this function translates right side, some units right side, new function will be f of x minus h. Remember, if it translates left side, new function will be f of x plus h. If it translates right side, f of x minus h. If it translates this function upwards, k units upwards, f of x plus k unit downwards, f of x minus k. You have to remember these rules of translation. G of x is the translation 3 units left and 13 units up. So our function is given, f of x is equal to 10, absolute value of x minus 9 plus 2. So when it translates 3 units left, so what is the rule? New function is absolute value of x plus h. Translate left means 10 x minus 9. How many units translated? 3 units. Left side means plus h units, plus 2, and also this function translate 13 units up. 13 units up means plus 13. So g of our new function is equal to 10 absolute value of x minus 9 plus 3, 6 plus 15. So this is our g of x. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.